Friends, this video we are going to solve this problem. This problem is asked in the GATE 2020 Mechanical Engineering Department question. It's a 2-mark question. Okay. What is the question is given is the function f of z of a complex variable z equal to x plus iy, where I equal to square root of minus 1 is given as f of z is equal to x cube minus 3x times y square plus I times v of x comma y. For this function to be analytic, find the v of x comma y. Okay, I have to find what is the v of x comma y. So, how I am going to proceed? So, the given real part. So, given f of z is analytic and u of x comma y is x cube minus 3 times x y square. So, we have to find the v of x comma y. So, if it is f of z, we have to find, we can directly use the Milne-Thomson rule, or the u of z, f of z equal to 2 times u of z divided by 2 comma z divided by 2y minus u of 0. That formula we can use, but they explicitly they ask the v of x comma y. So, we no need to find the f of z directly. So, we are going to use the CR equation only. What is the CR equation? We are going to use CR equation. So, CR equation is du by dx equal to dv by dy. Then du by dy equal to minus dv by dx. What is the du by dx means? We have to simply take the derivative with respect to x partially. So, 3 times x square minus 3 times y square. So, we required v of x comma y. We are going to integrate with respect to y partially. So, that means x is treated as a constant. So, 3 times x square y minus 3 times y cube divided by 3 plus some phi of x. So, 3 is cancelled. So, this implies our v of x comma y equal to 3 times x square y minus y cube plus phi of x. Our aim is what is the phi of x we have to find. So, that is why we are using the second condition. Second condition dy by dx equal to minus dv by dx. So, then I am going to take derivative with respect to partially with respect to y. So, x cube is constant. So, minus 6xy, that is our dv minus times dv by dx. So, this implies dv by dx equal to 6 times xy. So, again this way I am going to take derivative dv by dx 6 times xy plus phi prime of x. So, I am going to compare these two. So, this is A you take, this is B. I am going to compare these two. Phi prime of x equal to 0. This implies phi of x is constant k. So, then v of x comma y is 3 times x square y minus y cube plus some constant k. So, what is the option means 3x square. So, there is no 3x. So, it is not the 3x square, but we have the y, not y square. So, this is also not there. This is the positive, no. So, 3x square minus y cube plus constant. So, option D is correct. Thank you for watching this video.